Building an airplane in a home garage might sound like an impossible challenge, but for thousands of aviation enthusiasts, it's become an incredible reality. With determination, skill, and a passion for flight, everyday builders have created everything from rugged backcountry aircraft to sleek, high-performance machines capable of rivaling factory-built planes. In this countdown, we're showcasing 10 remarkable home-built aircraft that are not only real but are flying successfully around the world today. Get ready to discover innovative designs, impressive performance, and inspiring creations that prove the sky is no longer reserved for major manufacturers. Number 10. The Vans RV-15 is one of the most anticipated backcountry kit aircraft, designed to combine outstanding short takeoff and landing performance with the refined flying characteristics that have made Vans aircraft famous. Featuring a high-wing configuration, rugged landing gear, and a spacious side-by-side cockpit, it offers excellent visibility and impressive versatility for recreational flying, camping trips, and remote airstrip operations. Its modern all-metal construction provides durability while maintaining predictable handling and efficient cruise performance. Builders also benefit from Vans' reputation for well-engineered kits and detailed assembly instructions, making the RV-15 an attractive option for aviation enthusiasts seeking a capable adventure aircraft that performs equally well on paved runways and rough backcountry strips. Number 9. The Sling TSI is a modern 4-seat experimental aircraft that delivers an impressive combination of speed, efficiency, and long-range capability. Constructed primarily from lightweight aluminum, it features a sleek, aerodynamic design powered by a turbocharged Rotax engine that provides excellent performance while maintaining low operating costs. The spacious cabin, advanced glass cockpit options, and comfortable seating make it ideal for cross-country travel, flight training, and personal transportation. Its responsive handling and fuel-efficient operation have earned widespread praise among pilots looking for a practical yet high-performance aircraft. Blending cutting-edge avionics with dependable engineering, the Sling TSI continues to be one of the most respected aircraft in the experimental aviation community. Number 8. The Zenith CH-750 has built a strong reputation as one of the best short takeoff and landing aircraft available to homebuilders. Designed specifically for utility and adventure flying, it features fixed leading-edge slats, large flaperons, and rugged landing gear that enables safe operations from extremely short and unimproved runways. Its spacious cabin provides excellent visibility, while the high-wing layout makes loading cargo and entering the aircraft simple and convenient. Builders can choose from multiple engine options depending on their performance requirements, making the CH-750 highly customizable. Combining remarkable STOL capability with straightforward construction and dependable handling, it remains a favorite among bush pilots and recreational aviators alike. Number 7. The Sonix High Wing expands the company's successful lineup by introducing a practical high-wing design that emphasizes visibility, versatility, and efficient operation. Built with lightweight all-metal construction, it offers responsive handling while maintaining the simplicity that has made Sonix aircraft popular among homebuilders. The spacious cockpit provides comfortable seating for cross-country flights, while the high-wing configuration enhances downward visibility and improves accessibility during entry and exit. Designed to accommodate a variety of modern engines, the aircraft balances fuel efficiency with dependable performance. With its combination of affordability, ease of construction, and enjoyable flying characteristics, the Sonix High Wing is an appealing choice for pilots seeking an economical recreational aircraft. Number 6. The Kitfox Series 7 is one of the world's most iconic bush and recreational aircraft, celebrated for its remarkable versatility and outstanding short-field performance. Its lightweight steel tube and fabric construction, folding wings, and rugged landing gear allow owners to transport and store the aircraft with ease while operating from grass strips, gravel bars, and remote backcountry locations. Multiple engine options provide flexibility for different mission profiles, while the responsive controls deliver an engaging flying experience. The spacious side-by-side cockpit and excellent visibility further enhance comfort during long cross-country adventures. Combining proven reliability with exceptional STOL capability, Number 5. The Aero Aventura II is a versatile amphibious light aircraft designed for pilots who want the freedom to operate from both land and water. Its lightweight construction, pusher engine configuration, and high-wing layout provide excellent visibility and stable flight characteristics, making it suitable for recreational flying and scenic exploration. The amphibious hull allows smooth transitions between lakes, rivers, and conventional runways, greatly expanding the aircraft's operational flexibility. The spacious cockpit and efficient engine options contribute to comfortable, economical flying while maintaining straightforward maintenance requirements. For pilots seeking an affordable and capable amphibious aircraft, the Aventura 2 offers an exciting blend of performance and adventure. Number 4. The Jabiru J170 is a practical light sport aircraft known for its spacious cabin, efficient operation, and forgiving flight characteristics. Powered by Jabiru's lightweight air-cooled engine, it delivers dependable performance while keeping fuel consumption and maintenance costs relatively low. The high-wing design offers outstanding visibility and stable handling, making it popular for flight training, recreational flying, and cross-country travel. Its generous baggage capacity and comfortable seating enhance usability for longer journeys, while the simple construction contributes to straightforward ownership. Combining efficiency, reliability, and pilot-friendly handling, the J170 continues to be a respected choice within the light sport aviation market. Number 3. The Zenith CH-650 is a low-wing two-seat kit aircraft engineered to deliver sporty handling, efficient cruise performance, and straightforward home-built construction. Its all-metal airframe provides strength and durability while maintaining relatively low operating costs, making it an attractive option for first-time builders and experienced pilots alike. The roomy cockpit accommodates modern avionics, and the aircraft's balanced flight characteristics inspire confidence during both training and cross-country flights. Builders can choose from several engine options to tailor performance to their preferences. With its blend of responsive flying qualities, practical design, and proven engineering, the CH-650 remains one of Zenith's most successful kit aircraft. Number 2. The ICP Ventura is a sleek Italian light aircraft that combines modern styling with efficient touring performance. Built using lightweight composite materials, it offers excellent aerodynamic efficiency, responsive handling, and comfortable cruising capabilities for recreational pilots. The spacious cabin features large windows that provide outstanding visibility, while advanced glass cockpit options enhance situational awareness during flight. Powered by efficient modern engines, the Ventura delivers strong fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Its combination of attractive design, smooth flying characteristics, and practical cross-country capability makes it a compelling choice for private pilots seeking a refined light aircraft experience. Number 1. The Cricri MC-15 is one of the smallest manned twin-engine aircraft ever designed, earning worldwide recognition for its unique engineering and remarkable performance. Despite its incredibly compact size, the aircraft delivers agile handling and impressive efficiency, making it a fascinating project for experienced home builders and aviation enthusiasts. Constructed using lightweight materials, the Cricri emphasizes simplicity while offering exceptional maneuverability and low operating costs. Over the years, numerous builders have customized the design with different propulsion systems, including electric power, demonstrating the aircraft's remarkable adaptability. Compact, innovative, and unmistakably distinctive, the Cricri MC-15 remains one of the most iconic experimental aircraft ever created.